Imagine looking up at the night sky. Thousands of tiny stars sparkle above you. But here is the amazing truth. Every single star you see belongs to one giant family. Our galaxy contains over 200 billion stars, and it is only one of billions in space. A galaxy is a gigantic collection of stars, planets, cosmic dust, and mysterious black holes. Everything inside is held together by gravity, the invisible force keeping stars from drifting away. Think of a galaxy like a huge city. Instead of buildings, there are brilliant stars. Instead of roads, there are rivers of colorful gas. Instead of people, planets and asteroids. Our spectacular home galaxy is called the Milky Way. It stretches nearly 120,000 light-years across. Traveling at the speed of light, it would still take you 120,000 years to cross it.
Scientists believe it holds hundreds of billions of stars, and many might harbor planets just like Earth.
The Milky Way belongs to a small galactic family, known to astronomers as the Local Group. Have you ever wondered why our home galaxy has such a delicious, unusual name? Long ago, the ancient Greeks believed this glowing white band looked like spilled milk from the gods. The Greek word for milk is gala, and from this ancient word came our modern name, galaxy. Today, we know this glowing band isn't milk at all. It is the light of billions of stars. Since Earth sits deep inside one of the spiral arms, we cannot see our galaxy from above. Instead, we see it from the side, as a beautiful glowing river stretching across the heavens. Our closest giant galactic neighbor is the magnificent Andromeda galaxy. It lies at an unimaginable distance of about 2.5 million light-years away. It lies at an unimaginable distance of about 2.5 million light-years away. Even though that distance is vast, Andromeda is slowly, steadily moving right toward us. Don't worry. This cosmic collision won't happen for another 4 to 5 billion years. When they finally meet, they won't crash or explode like massive fireworks. Many distant galaxies across the universe have already experienced these incredible cosmic collisions. These celestial dances create breathtaking shapes, long streams of stars, and brand new cosmic worlds. Now comes one of the absolute greatest mysteries in all of modern science. Scientists can calculate a galaxy's weight by watching how fast its outer stars move. But something strange happens. The stars move far too quickly. They should fly apart. Yet, they stay perfectly together. Because something invisible is creating massive extra gravity. Yet, it makes up about 5 times more matter than everything we can see. Without it, the Milky Way might never have formed. It remains an unsolved mystery.